Under gonioscopy, the beveled tip of the cannula should be tilted up approximately 15 degrees and then used to access Schlemm's canal through the trabecular meshwork just above the scleral spur. Once through the trabecular meshwork, hold the cannula steady with light contact against the back wall of Schlemm's canal. Begin to deliver the hydrous by gently rolling the tracking wheel forward while keeping the cannula tip engaged. Continue to advance the hydrous with a slow and steady motion while gently relaxing the upward and forward pressure on the cannula. The hydrous' highly flexible, rounded frame design provides for a smooth passage into Schlemm's canal. Once satisfied with its position, the hydrous is advanced until the microstent is released from the interlock. The hydrous cannula is then removed from Schlemm's canal and withdrawn from the eye.